comfortable, very nice feature to have. It's very simplistic with just one screen. What's up guys, and today I'm going to tell you my top favorite things about the Tesla Model 3. In my opinion, these are the top 5 in no particular order. So number 1 is regenerative braking. Automatic, like it starts dropping your speed right away, like it brakes for you. It's just very comfortable for me. Let's say there's a red light ahead of me, and so I would say if there are like 2 cars of length left to the light or to the car in front of me, I would just let go of the accelerator pedal. It basically drops the speed down so I don't have to use my brakes. And number 2 is actually the brake hold. What happens after the regenerative braking? Basically, once I get to the car in front of me, like pretty close to it, and the car drops the speed all the way to 0, it holds the brake for me. So even if I go on the light, if I drive by myself, I press the brake and then it starts holding. So that's the same concept that BMW uses for like M cars. So it's very comfortable and nice feature to have on a Tesla. So number 3 is gonna be the autopilot. When I drive on a highway, if I'm tired, if there's a lot of traffic, bumper to bumper, I can just turn it on and it's stress free. I just sit in my car and look in like forward without like pressing no pedals, without like turning my wheel, and everything happens by itself. I just have to watch the road just in case. That gives me some time to like relax, don't be exhausted from the work. So it just gives me a good time, like let's say 5, even 10 minutes on the highway to just relax. It helps. The day goes better when you're not stressed out, when you're not tired. So that really helps with. Number 4 is gonna be the speed of the car. It's very fast, so whenever I'm alone I can just accelerate faster than normal and maybe speed a little bit here and there, and that's just fun for me. Obviously everyone is different, not everyone enjoys speed. I enjoy speed, so that's another very cool feature for me to have, because not only it's fast but it's electric car, so it's just so instant and it feels even faster than what they advertise. So 0 to 60 would be 4 seconds. It feels so fast that you can probably say that it's like 2-3 seconds. You can't even feel it. It's so quick. It never gets old. It gets you every single time. So that's another like awesome feature to have. And number 5 would probably be the no dashboard thing. So the car is very simple and has no dashboard, so it's very cool thing to have for me, because I don't really like driving with 2 hands. I rarely do, so I drive with my 1 hand, and it's either on top or somewhere at the bottom if I'm tired. And it's very cool because the screen is on the side. I can see the speed on the side without like moving my hand away from the blocking the dashboard, and like watching my speed where I can just focus on my driving, and if I need the speed I can just look on the side. It's way better and it's way comfortable. At first you have to get used to it, but it takes like few days, and then after that you're gonna be good. It's very comfortable, very nice feature to have. It's very simplistic with just one screen. I mean, I'm pretty sure the Model S and X are awesome as well with 2 screens, with a dash screen and the console in the middle. But this model in particular is awesome as well, because it's just simple. It's cool to have. The screen, I love the screen that it's horizontal. You can, if you watch YouTube videos or Netflix, it's full screen, unlike the Model S and X. So that's just a bonus tip, I guess, for you guys, that the screen is. So those are my 5 plus the bonus. Well, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I enjoy your feedback and your comments, so please do leave a comment down below, and I'm going to be sure to answer any questions you have. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you later. Peace.